Good morning, children. Today we'll continue our fourth chapter, that is tables and charts in PowerPoint. In the previous video, we have learned how we are going to insert a table in PowerPoint, what are the tools, how we are going to format our table style, how we are going to insert a row, column, how to apply a border color, and about alignment of text in a table. So in this video, we are going to learn about charts in PowerPoint. Now what is a chart? It is a way to display our data in graphical form, that is in the form of a graph. It can show comparison, growth, the relationship among the values, and trends in data with chart. It provides the accurate analysis of the information. When we insert a chart, a data is displayed in a special window called datasheet. The chart gets updated automatically when we make change in a data. Components of a chart. There are various components of a chart. Chart area. The chart area includes the complete area and all the objects in a chart. Category axis, or we can say as x-axis, it's the horizontal axis. The subject of analysis is plotted against the x-axis. Value axis, that is the y-axis. The vertical axis, that is used to plot the values. Then the data series, it's the bar, or you can say the slices or other elements that shows the data value. Then category name. Category names, they are the labels displayed on x and y axis. Then plot area, it is a window within the chart area that contains the actual chart itself and includes the plotted data series, the axis, value axis or category axis. Legend, it depicts the color, patterns or symbols that are assigned to the data series. Then chart title describes the objective of the chart. Grid lines, it can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart types. Now here is a well-labeled diagram of chart and its component. Inserting a chart. To insert a chart on a slide, there are few steps. Click on Layout button present on the Home tab and select Title and Content Layout. Click on Insert Chart icon on the slide. The Insert Chart dialog box appears. Select the chart type in the left pane and subtypes of the selected chart will be reflected in the right pane. Select the column chart and click on OK. The chart will be displayed with the data sheet that contains the default data. Changing the chart type. Select the chart. Click on Design tab under Chart tool. Click on Change Chart Type button in the Type group. The Change Type dialog box will appear. Select any chart type and click on OK. The chart will change automatically. Formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a text. That is, we can format chart text, font, line color, width, border style, data series, etc. When we insert a chart, 3 new tabs appears on the ribbon: Design, Layout and Format. These tabs contain various chart tools and commands that allows you to modify and format the chart. How can we modify the chart layout? Select the chart and click on Design tab. Scroll through the options in the Chart Layout group and click on More drop-down arrow to see all the available charts layout options at once. Select the required chart layout. Using Format tab, we can modify a chart in various ways. Using this tab, we can change chart outline, format of chart text, and much more. How can we change the shape, style, and color? Just select the line that you want to change. Then select any quick style from the Shape Style group on Format tab and the Chart tool. To view more styles, click on More button and select the desired style. Changing background colors and patterns. Now how we are going to do that? Firstly, we'll do right click on the plot area of the chart and select Format Plot Area option from the context menu. Then Format Plot dialog box will be opened. Select the border style, color and shadow effect according to your choice. Then click on Fill tab. Then Pictures on Texture Fill option from the right pane. Select the texture button and choose the required texture from the displayed choices. Lastly, click on Close button and then you will observe the changes in the chart.